Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Toto. So today's video is a crochet distress lock look. So I'm already starting to braid her hair. I gave her the zigzag or crooked partings, whatever you want to call it. I've given her that, and so I'm just pretty much laying the foundation, which is braiding her hair. I did not add any weave. Her hair was long and thick enough to braid. It's just, it wasn't completely stretched. So it made it a little bit difficult to try to braid through it because it wasn't completely stretched. She wore it in twists, but they were still a little damp, so it still had its natural curl pattern or its natural elasticity. So it took a little bit to get these braids done. So if you ever get, any crochets, just make sure your hair is stretched either through blow dry or you stretched it over the last few days with braids or twists or whatever. So that's what I'm pretty much doing. I'm just braiding down the foundation so I can get these crochets in. This is nothing new. You guys have seen how crochets are done, which is why I'm really not giving a tutorial as to the parting or anything like that. So I'm done. And this is the hair. It's called leave-in hair, and it got all its handles on the bag, which is YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and something else. I'm not sure what that is, but this is the hair. It came in this really cute pink bag, so I was a fan already. So this is what the hair is looking like. It has a shiny type of texture or shiny type of luster to it. It's not too natural looking, but it still looks good. The ends are, sealed, but they're not hard or anything. The hair, I believe, is like 24 or 20, no, it's 28 inches. So they're pretty long. They have like this distressed and curly look to it, and they're really light as well. So six bags of these came in the bag, in the leave-in hair bag, and also it was 21 strands per bundle or per bag. So we had quite a few faux locks or distress locks to use. So I end up using pretty much almost all of the locks. I think I had like 8 left out of the 6 packs. I had like 8 strands of the locks left, but yeah, they weren't bulky looking. They weren't heavy. They weren't any of that. So yeah, I really enjoyed putting these in. The only thing I would say is it was really hard to get the loop right, or get the loop, fit my hands through the loop. So I had to unwind it down a couple inches in order to get through that loop, because it was hard to do it, with the small loop that it came with. So, but other than that, I, have no complaints about this hair. It looks really good. It was really long, which is what she was looking for. The install was pretty easy. This took me about 2 hours to braid and then also install. So yeah. So you guys can just sit back and continue to watch. This video isn't that long. I'm just showing you guys how I put these in and what they were looking like. So right here, I'm just looking to see where she mainly wear her part and what side I should put more hair on, because it's usually not a middle part. So I'm just trying to fill in the spaces. For some reason, I thought that I had positioned my camera to show you guys me filling in spaces, so forgive me. I obviously didn't check it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just filling in the spaces to make sure it's filled in pretty good, and also that her part is concealed. So that's what I'm doing in this part of the video. So I'm ending it, of course, with laying her edges. Let me know if I'm not the only one that lays edges with my fingers. I find it more easy to do it that way. I can, you know, manipulate it more with my fingers to get it to lay how I want it to lay, and just slick it on in the swervy S-curl type of way. Usually works. So let me know if I'm the only one that does that. I know a brush will be easier because you're not getting the residue on your hands. But yeah, I'm done. And this is what they are looking like. Like I said, they're very long, they're very light, and it doesn't look bulky like that bulky crochet look. So it looks very natural, which is what I love about them. As you can see, they go up to about her tailbone. She did not want to show her face because she wasn't feeling the best. So just showing you guys what the locks are looking like, and I really love these locks. I will definitely try these for myself. I may try a different color on me, even though I love black. But yeah, these came out really nice. So stay tuned for a little short photo of her with these locks, and hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys in my next video. Bye.